We are pleased to present the programs of MODICIA O.S. Control Panel, your unique power tools. Applications created specifically for our operating system to enable complete management at your fingertips, maximizing both your hardware and software, and offering a truly unique experience. Let's get started. WineHQ Manager is a graphical tool that helps you easily install or remove WineHQ and WineTricks on Debian-based systems, designed for simplicity and multilingual support. Preload control is a simple graphical utility to start or stop the preload service with elevated permissions. Designed for multilingual environments and seamless desktop integration. SyncThing Service Control is a graphical utility that lets you enable, disable, or start the SyncThing service with a single click. Designed for simplicity and multilingual support. RT Kernel Checker is a graphical tool that checks the availability of real-time RT Linux kernels on your system, your SAO. Swappiness Control is a graphical utility that lets you adjust the Linux swappiness value between 60% and 10%. Ideal for optimizing memory usage on desktop systems. SSD Trim Control is a graphical utility that lets you enable or disable periodic trim operations for SSDs, helps maintain performance and longevity of solid-state drives. ZRAM Control is a graphical utility that lets you enable or disable ZRAM compression for improved memory efficiency. Ideal for systems with limited RAM. Extra Font Installer is a graphical utility that installs over 2,500 additional fonts for MODICIA O.S. Enhances creative flexibility across design, publishing, and multimedia applications. WineDark Theme is a graphical utility that applies a dark visual theme to wine applications using a registry patch, ideal for consistent UI appearance and eye comfort. AMD GPU Checker is a graphical utility that detects AMD graphics cards, displays active drivers, and optionally installs firmware packages. Ideal for verifying GPU setup and driver status. NVIDIA Driver Installer is a graphical utility that detects your NVIDIA GPU and installs the recommended driver automatically. Designed for MODICIA O.S. users who want fast and reliable setup. AppImage Menu Integrator is a graphical utility that installs or removes AppImage applications from the system menu, automatically extracts icons and desktop entries for seamless integration. MODICIA Kernel Manager is a graphical utility that lets you block or unblock standard and real-time RT Linux kernels. It also displays held packages for advanced system control. MODICIA O.S. Theme Switcher is a graphical utility that lets you toggle between light and dark desktop themes instantly, designed for comfort, accessibility, and visual consistency. MODICIA System Updater is a terminal-based utility that updates and upgrades your system using Nala, ensures your MODICIA OS stays secure, fast, and up-to-date. Dock Preferences opens the configuration panel for the Planck dock. Customize position, theme, behavior, and icon size for a sleek and responsive desktop experience. Hardware Info launches a terminal window showing detailed system information using the InkSci tool. Includes CPU, GPU, RAM, disks, network, and more, ideal for diagnostics and support. Rescue File Recovery launches PhotoRec in a terminal window to recover lost files from disks, partitions, or memory cards. Ideal for data rescue after accidental deletion or corruption. Wi-Fi Driver Installer is a compact tool that quickly detects and installs missing or outdated Wi-Fi drivers, ensuring stable wireless connectivity during setup or recovery. Package Manager is a lightweight, localized graphical application that streamlines software package management on MODICIA OS. Featuring an intuitive GTK-based interface, it allows users to search for, install, and remove APT packages with a single click, while displaying the real-time status of each package. It includes multilingual support and privileged execution via PKExec. File System Check allows you to force a file system check, FSCK, on the next system reboot. It is designed to be run with root privileges and includes a graphical interface via Zenity with messages localized in Italian, English, German, Japanese, French, Portuguese, and Spanish. Change System Language is a GTK-based graphical application developed for MODICIA O.S. that allows users to change the system or user language in a simple and immediate way. The interface is localized in multiple languages and offers a drop-down menu with all available localizations, along with options to apply changes either for a single user or globally. It fills the gap of a graphical application for Debian and Cinnamon-based distributions. The application is released under the CC BY GPL3 license, allowing it to be freely redistributed. Defrag File System is a graphical utility based on GTK developed for the MODICIA O.S. operating system. The program allows the defragmentation of disks, directories, and individual files. It was designed to support users managing large archives, such as video footage or photographic collections in RAW format, stored on hard disk drives. Queen Margarita is an exclusive icon theme for MODICIA O.S., featuring over 3,000 elegantly crafted icons. Designed to deliver visual consistency, regal style, and full compatibility with modern applications. Queen Theodolinda is a Cinnamon desktop theme designed with refined transparencies, effects, and colors to deliver an elegant experience, rivaling and surpassing even Mac OS in style. King Agilulfo is a window theme for Linux, available in both light and dark versions. It offers an elegant look inspired by Mac OS, whether bright or dark. For open source enthusiasts, it also includes a classic Linux variant with the traditional +X buttons on the left side. I hope this review has been useful in helping you discover some of the exclusivities of our operating system. Everything is designed to make you feel comfortable on Linux. Good work.